if Miss Kylie go to Korea, you have to take care of her, really. 진짜.
He wants to go see that.
Because here in the Philippines, she has driver, she has security guard. You also hired
Ay,
security
진짜?
guard, okay?
What
Oh,
is,
진짜.
really? Kelly, thank
what
you.
is Chincha?
Really?
Really.
진짜? Really? Ganun. Really, 진짜.
In-house security guard?
Maybe.
Whoa. Ay, mama.
Yeah,
Before-
so
Mama, before
she
my-
saved. So wait, Saiba, wait.
Oh,
Maybe you just know her just like an actress, but kind of actress. It's same with Lee Min Ho. Pops very superstar. Okay.
in Philippines.
Oh, in Philippines.
Oh.
So you have to think. Have security guard, have driver. So when Kylie go to Korea, you have to take her same thing. Same in
It's
Philippines.
okay. Mama, before my job, TikTok before my job is guard.
Really?
Jamal.
Oh, really?
Chincha?
Really? 근데 가드는 가드야. Guard is guard. But guard, I do guard.
Ethan.
Really?
Oh, kasi nag-ano siya, nagsisinungaling siya, Miss Kylie.
Ayun
Ganun
lang.
ang
I work
buhok niya, sinungaling
I work
niya.
in guard 2 year. You didn't know that?
No.
진짜 in guard.
Not guard, bouncer.
Bouncer? Bouncer가 뭐지?
Ethan is laughing at you.
Bouncer, not guard. Same ba yan? It's same ba yun?
Security. I'm working in security. Really? Not joke.
Oh.
Are you tall?
Then-
How tall are you? Tall?
I'm sure.
She's very short, tight, Miss Kylie. How come? Do you believe that?
아니 근데 잠깐만 wait. Then Kylie come. 이단 driver. I'm security. Then okay,
I
right?
can drive.
Then same with Philippine, right?
Yeah,
Driver,
same.
guard.
Ako yung assistant.
And Nanako come.
Ako assistant.
Let's
Nana
go,
cook-
4 of us.
Nanako cooking, okay?
We travel. You come, Nan.
So, Ethan, where you gonna go first? Manila? When you guys soon and you will come to Philippines, you first drop by in Manila?
Cause only Manila.
No, yeah.
Ki-
No.
Like,
I thought you will eat lechon.
I Kylie Manila now.
아,
Then I should go Manila when I go there. Who live there? Other place who live?
세븐
Wala,
나나코 리브 이단. 이단.
아 나나코.
세븐 나나코 리브.
Don't want Nanako.
세븐 나나코 리브.
Araso eh. I know. I understand eh. Araso eh.
I don't know. It's okay.
I'm very supportive.
No,
Chingu.
no. Listen. Wait.
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 아니 근데 나나코 I have a question. If it is possible you come to Manila.
Oh yeah, that's right. I
Oh.
said this. So if we go Manila, you
You come to Manila.
together.
Okay.
Yeah, then we can meet together.
Oh, you cannot meet lagi easily, Miss Kylie.
Sabay-sabay na lang tayo mag-meet. Go meet together with Nana.
Gikilig
Nanako, we-
ko. Oh my God.
나나코 we know.
Okay, we sing.
Uy, Miss Kylie, totoo ba yun, Miss Kylie?
나나코 we
Di
know.
natin alam.
We know also it is not easy to meet her.
Uy, gikilig
Go,
ko.
we go karaoke. We sing karaoke.
Oh, that's right. Oh, Philippine karaoke. You ready, Nanako? You practice
okay.
so. You practice so.
아, okay. Turn off. Okay. How can everyone? No. I'm talking.
How to meet everyone.
How to do everyone?
How to meet.
But I
Okay,
want to go to Korea kasi nga I've never been there. I will travel solo.
So which one you prefer? Solo. Which one you prefer, Miss Kylie? Mapupunta ka Korea first or pupunta muna sila dito Manila?
Gusto ko mag-Korea muna. Kasi gusto ko talaga mag-Korea.